welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is a tender potato and cheese bake layered with delicious white sauce and cheese. First, let's make the vegetables. In a pan, add baby carrots and add balsamic vinegar with little olive oil and add avocado and boiled sweet potato. Season with salt, black pepper and nutmeg powder. Mix so that the seasoning coats vegetables well. Keep aside. Mash potatoes and keep them aside. In a large vessel, add butter and olive oil. Heat on medium heat. Add garlic. Once light brown, add onions. Saute onions till golden brown. Then add seasoning. Add mashed potatoes now and mix well. Add chopped parsley or coriander and mix evenly. Add milk and give a good stir. Adjust the salt and seasoning. So the base for the potato bake is ready. We will keep it aside. To make white sauce, heat olive oil in a saucepan on medium heat. Add flour. You can take butter as well. Once it starts to bubble, add seasoning and mix well. Add garlic, saute for 1 to 2 minutes. Stirring continuously, add cold milk to avoid lumps. Boil on low heat till it thickens, then set aside. Preheat the oven for 15 minutes at 180 degrees centigrade. In a large baking dish, spread first layer of prepared mashed potatoes. Sprinkle cheese. Put a layer of buttered slices. Pour over white sauce. Spread another layer of potatoes. Sprinkle cheese and add white sauce. Arrange sliced mushroom or chopped spinach. Garnish with tomatoes or red bell peppers. Spread cheese and fresh coriander on top. This looks lovely. Sprinkle some seasoning. And drizzle olive oil. Bake it at 180 degrees centigrade for 40 to 45 minutes till it is golden brown. Serve it hot with prepared vegetables. Enjoy this creamy, cheesy potato bake any time of the week. Thanks for watching. If you have liked this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I have many more interesting recipes lined up, so stay tuned and I will see you in the next one.